fellow creators. Now welcome back to my AI tutorial channel, and in this exciting video I'll guide you through an incredible free alternative to Canva that's powered by AI. Now get ready to unlock your creativity and create stunning social media content and animated videos. My name is AI Matt. Let's dive in.
Wow!
So get ready to explore the incredible world of Adobe Express, a groundbreaking platform powered by Adobe AI tools. With an Adobe account, which you need to have, you'll unlock a treasure trove of creative possibilities, from captivating social media content and mesmerizing, expressive videos for TikTok and Facebook, stunning photos, and even professional logos. Now, the possibilities are truly endless. So in this tutorial, we'll dive into the realm of captivating Instagram content creation using the power of AI. So let's create this Instagram square post from scratch. Okay, let's embark on a creative journey and design a captivating image background for our Instagram content. All right, let's begin by clicking the text to image button, and you want to choose the square ratio. So a simple one sentence line, a beach paradise setting. Now choose the content type, either non-photographic or art, and I will choose a photo to make it realistic. You also have the option to select your preferred image style from the menu. Once it's ready, just click the generate button and watch as the AI works its magic. Now you're presented with 4 pictures.
Beautiful.
All of these pictures are AI generated, and these beaches look super realistic. What do you think? Now, if you're seeking that perfect image, don't worry. Simply click the load more button, and it will give you 4 more options. Next, just click the back button and then go below and choose set as page background. Now the photo will be the background of your image. Definitely a stunning beach. Now let's dive into the creation of our main object image. Then from this menu, you just go to your media, click on that, and then go to your text to image and choose square. And now you can type in a new prompt and it will give you a different image. So this time you want to have an object image that you can put in the picture. A woman wearing futuristic beachwear. I'm going to keep it as a photo and I'm not going to choose the style. Just keep it as popular, and then I will generate it. So if you're not happy with those images, then just press the load more button and it will give you more options, just like before. That one looks very cool and realistic. Let's take a look. Oh wow, that one looks amazing. So I will choose that one. So once you've achieved the desired image, just click the back button and then press the remove background button. That will remove the background of that image you just generated. So now you can just place it on your picture. I'll enlarge it just a little and it looks stunning. So to elevate our background and ensure seamless integration with our main image, let's add some captivating effects. So go to your effects menu. But before you do that, make sure you highlight the background image. So it's a blue line around the picture, and go to the effects. And now you have some options of coloring the background. I will just darken it just a little, and you can change the intensity by clicking in the middle. And you can also change the image as well, the effects, highlight it. So you have a blue box around it, blue line box, and go to effects. And I think I will just keep it the way it is. But what I might do is change the adjustments to make it brighter. And some contrast, and maybe add some highlights. And some shadows, so the figure stands out more. Now you've got the beach setting and the futuristic model. You can infuse our design with captivating text using the power of AI. So just click on the text button and add your text. Which brings you to the AI text menu. From here, you can customize your text by editing its content, position, and size. So I will add a catchy heading, the beachwear of the future. I will change the color of the text. So that it stands out. It's already giving you some recommendations on some text styles that you can use. I really like that one, it's quite good. So let's click on the text effects. And you can actually change the text font with this by giving it a completely different design. I will just type in neon, and it's generated some options in the results area. And you just click on that option, and then it will change the text straight away. Okay, I will keep it like that. I'll put some shadow in. All right. Now, if you're happy with your image, then all you need to do is just go to the download button and choose your file format, which is the best for images, PNG, and press download. But we're not finished yet. I want to show you how to animate this. So I want to transform this image into a captivating animated video. So let's begin by clicking on our main image and then navigating to the animation menu, which is just at the bottom, and choose the looping option. And we're going to select an animation style that brings life into your creation. Let's choose some options. Blinking, pulse, flicker, so blinking is a great option. And in the animation menu, you can change the speed of the animation and the personality, so the energy, soft, smooth, strong, energetic, and loud. And you can also change the intensity as well. So let's play back the finished video animation. So when you're ready to share your mesmerizing creation with the rest of the world, just simply click the download button, then choose the MP4 video format and the source size, HD, which is 1080, and download. Now you've seen the final result, I hope this AI tutorial video has sparked your creativity and left you feeling inspired. If you found this content valuable, please consider showing your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. I have more exciting AI tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. So until next time, goodbye.